Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Well, it's time to clean out my wig closet and make room for the new styles I have coming in. So I am going to have a wig sale. Now I have not sold any wigs, wow, in probably a year. So I have a lot to sell. First I want to tell you, all the wigs I have are from wigstudio1.com. They either were purchased with my own funds or they were provided to me for previous review. Now, I'm going to do this sale on my website, and I will link it up here, CrazyWigLife.com. Now, that link will be in the drop-down box below this video as well. I'm going to be adding these a few at a time. I have a lot, and I'm not going to put them all on there at one time just because I just don't have the manpower to get them packed up and mailed out in a timely fashion when I have a whole bunch. So I'm going to do them just a few at a time over the next several weeks. Again, these will be sold through my website, CrazyWigLife.com. Okay, so just a little bit about the wigs that I'm going to sell. If you watch my channel and you're familiar with me, you know I take great pride in taking care of my wigs. Every time I take them off, I put them back in the box and they are very well taken care of. Now, when you go to my website at CrazyWigLife.com and you look at the wigs I have, there'll be a description box below the wig. It will tell you everything you need to know about that wig. There will be, if I've done a video review, it will be posted there and you can click on that and watch the full video review, photos, everything you need to know. I will tell you in the description box if I've gently worn it, approximately how many times I've worn it. If I wore it just for video reviews and photos, that is there as well. Now, there are a couple wigs that I have worn for just video reviews, but I did use styling products to show you how you can style those wigs. Those wigs have been washed, and in the description it will tell you what they were washed in, and they were washed, of course, to remove any makeup that was on them during the video review and to remove the styling products that I used during the video review. Everything is disclosed about each wig in the description box on the website. Okay, if you decide there's a wig that you would like to purchase, all you have to do is put it in your cart on my website and you can check out through PayPal. At this time, I am only accepting PayPal for payment. That may change as we move along, but at this time, I'm only accepting PayPal, so you will have to have a PayPal account in order to purchase a wig. And you can do that through my website. Go to, put it in your cart, complete the checkout process. It will email me, of course, and I will mail the wig to you. If you find a wig you want and it will not let you put it in your cart, that means it has been sold. I will mail out between 1 to 2 business days. Now, the shipping is free. I only ship within the continental United States at this time. Be sure to read everything about the wig. The description box is all the information. Make sure that's the wig you want. Make sure you read everything about it. All sales are final. There are no returns, exchange, or refund. All sales are final. Now, like I said, I will ship out between 1 and 2 business days, and after I ship, you will receive an email with tracking information. All wigs will be mailed in a padded envelope. So all the wigs will come to you in a padded envelope, and like I said, after you pay for it and after I mail it, you will get an email with tracking information. Okay, that's all there is to it. Now, I will be, like I said, adding these along onto my website within the next couple weeks. In order to get a heads up of when they're going to have more styles being added, you need to do a couple things. Make sure you subscribe to my email list on my website. How you do that is on the very front page of the website. Scroll all the way to the bottom. There is a place there you can enter your email address, and that will put you on my email list. I will send an email out a little bit early so those people get a heads up that there are new styles being added. I also will post it on my Facebook page, CrazyWigLady, and on my Instagram page at CrazyWigLady. So, and one more place, be sure to check the community tab here on YouTube. All of those places will tell you when new styles are being added. But if you want a little heads up, make sure you subscribe to my email list on my website, CrazyWigLife.com. Okay guys, that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoy the sale over these next few weeks. I have lots of beautiful styles that'll be available. Thank you so much. I just want to tell you how much I appreciate you, how much I enjoy interacting with you. I love what I do. I am so lucky to be able to show you these beautiful styles, these wigs. I love every minute of it. I hope you do too. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Be sure to hit that notification button. I have lots of reviews coming, lots of fun things happening. Again, thanks so much, and I will see you next time.